Okay, here we go again, mga bossing. And this time, we're going to unbox the coolest, grandiest figure in the Yu Yu Hakusho anime figure release from Bandai. And this is the biggest figure so far. So, let's check it out. The Younger Toguro, the 100% figure in a Masterlise edition. Pretty huge, pretty heavy. So let's go. Oop, let's unbox. Okay, here we go. We so excited on this one. So this is the Masterlise Younger Toguro 100% figure. This is really huge. That's why I like this one. So this is my first Masterlise Yu Yu Hakusho figures, and I'm so excited on this one. So how about check out the size of this box? Just the box alone. Ooh, it's more than 15 inches by 11, and the height is 8 inches. Wow, that's pretty awesome. So bear with me, guys. It might not fit on my camera, or it's a lot of how do you call it, like shaking going on, because this is really heavy. Every time I move it around, it's giving me like an earthquake on my desk. So yeah, so let's let's unbox. Okay, maybe. Okay, no more. Let's see. It looks easy to. Okay. Okay. Oh man, the packaging is really cool. You know, as I always say, I love the box. So it's really painful for me to let it go. I love the artworks. I like the, because there's really people working on how to make this box looks really cool. So, and I always give them a big thumbs up. It's always they always giving us a great design. Okay, oh yeah, sorry about that. It's too close as always. I can't. Okay, there's a lot of cardboard's going on here. It's like we're unboxing a huge size of statue here, like the one in it's really expensive kind of figures. Okay, so no other things going on here. There's no manual or any paperwork. So okay, let's close it back. And here we go. We got the one piece Younger Toguro. I wonder why they don't add the older Toguro, because it's just a small figure. Hopefully they will. Okay, anyway, they just. This is like what do you call it? The fighting. One of those fighting scene. So yeah. So they say a fusion of masterful mastering and stylish beauty stylist high quality series. Okay, how about let's check it out. If there's some artist or name. Okay, I don't see any. Okay, but unless only it's made in Vietnam. Ichibansho figure. Okay, I don't see any credit to the artist, the sculptor, whoever designed this toy. I don't know if it's because it's just maybe because it's for US release. So usually maybe there should have more names or any something written here on this side of this box. So yeah, so if you guys have like a Japanese release of this toy, please let me know if there's something, some credit to the artist or any more informations that's been removed on this box. So yeah, that'd be great. I appreciate that. So there's also something to share to other collectors or our Americans, North American friends, right? So that's good. So let's take Toguro out of this plastic. Okay. So I'm just surprised that they make it just one box. So I mean like one figure. Unlike they got the upper body and the lower body to get separate, right? So okay, so far. She's nice looking guy here. Look at that face. He looks young. But all the sculpt is really cool. Because the way I see this one, and I'm a big fan of Hulk, so it looks like a Hulk for me. Like a Hulk figure. But more details on on those veins and all those muscle. Right, so it's a different display of muscles. It's more of those how do you call it? Like the one in Titans. Like a muscle without fats and skin. Okay, man. Look at that. Oh my goodness, yeah. This is pretty awesome. Oh, they still put the words Vietnam here. Okay, nice. I think they really started to get out of China producing toys. This is a cool thing for other country. Yeah, that's really nice. So nothing much details or information here, only on this one, but it doesn't say any like Bandai or anything, right? Well, any years. Look at that sculpt, man, and those veins. Okay, that's pretty nice. What do you guys think about this figure? That's pretty awesome. I think it's really, really cool if you add all those Masterlise Yu Yu Hakusho characters. Right? So, check it out. Hopefully, I can grab some of those characters or figures from Masterlise, and of course I keep on releasing or reviewing the fighting arena version of Ban Presto. So check it out. I will continue on that one, and here you go, another Toguro figure from Boy Boas Toy Box. So if you like this figure, and of course if you like this channel, please, why not you give me a thumbs up, click the thumbs up buttons now, and of course maybe I can get some comments or any suggestion or anything you're thinking of. I really appreciate that. That's really highly appreciated. So just comment down below, and why not, right? click the subscribe buttons now for more Yu Yu Hakusho figure reviews. I will definitely, this is because this is one of my favorite anime. So yeah, click the subscribe buttons, the bell icon all the way down there, and you will always be updated to my latest video. So here we go once again. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out. Boom.